Welcome to the Nevis Newscast for Thursday, February 4th, 2021. I am Bronte Swanston Hendrickson. Divisional Commander for District A, Superintendent Cromwell Henry, revealed that a positive COVID-19 patient was accidentally discharged from quarantine into the community via public transportation, which resulted in over 20 persons being placed in quarantine. The superintendent made the revelation during his presentation at the National Emergency Operations Center COVID-19 weekly briefing on Wednesday, February 3rd, 2021. He said once the task force was made aware of the incident, they quickly responded to isolate the individual and to locate and quarantine all the persons that came into close contact. The superintendent explained that the protocols at the quarantine site were reviewed and immediate action has been taken to prevent a similar incident. He said contact tracing in this case is still ongoing, along with a police investigation to determine whether or not criminal charges will be filed. Junior Minister of Health in the Nevis Island Administration, the Honorable Hazel Brandy Williams, delivered an address to mark the observance of World Cancer Day, annually observed on February 4th. The Junior Minister also went into detail about the number of cases in the Federation.
In 2019 and 2020, the Federation's Public Health Laboratory recorded an alarming 77 and 67 new cases of cancers, respectively. This is a major cause for concern, as we must bear in mind that besides human suffering and death, the financial cost incurred for the treatment of cancer can be astronomical for families, the healthcare system, and the economy. Direct costs include expenditure for treatment as well as the cost of care and rehabilitation. Indirect costs include the loss of economic output due to absenteeism from work due to illness and premature death. A country's health is the nation's wealth. Therefore, we must all work together in the war against cancer.
Honorable Brandy Williams noted that the recent Community Health Nursing Services annual Pap Smear Drive, done in recognition of Cervical Cancer Month, saw 146 women screened in 2021 in comparison to 113 women screened in 2020. She also went on to list a number of ways persons can reduce the risk of contracting the disease.
Although there are no sure ways to prevent cancer, there are measures that can be taken to help reduce one's risk. As individuals, we can help to reduce our risk of cancer by making healthy choices. In support of the I Am, I Will campaign, you can make the pledge. I am an advocate, a supporter, a survivor. I will eat right, which includes consuming a healthy portion of fruits and vegetables, and by reducing salt, fat, and your sugar intake. I will stay active, at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise. I will avoid smoking and the consumption of alcohol. I will get screened. Regular screening increases the chances of an early detection of cancers such as breast, colon, cervix, and skin cancer. If cancer is found early, it can be easier to treat and the survival rate increases.
Junior Minister in the Nevis Island Administration, the Honorable Hazel Brandy Williams. Minister responsible for water in the Nevis Island Administration, Honorable Spencer Brand, urged staff of the Nevis Water Department to be prepared to adapt in an ever-changing work environment. The minister was at the time delivering an address to declare the Nevis Water Department Staff Retreat 2021 open. The one-day event was hosted at the Nevis Performing Arts Center, NEPAC, on February 2nd, 2021, with the theme, Challenging Yourself in a Changing Working Environment.
It is important to bear in mind that water is connected to all sectors of our economy. So any changes in one sector can result in change in the working environment of the Nevis Water Department. Policy changes by the Nevis Island Administration will affect the working environment. You should, however, always have the mindset that changes will occur and that the process of change will be dynamic and fluid. Therefore, you should challenge yourself to adapt in a fast-changing environment.
The retreat, a first in the department's 37 years of operation, was organized to give staff a better understanding of the department and its function and its role in Nevis, to sharpen skills to better serve the community, to meet and greet each other, and to discuss plans for 2021. Minister Brand recommends a number of ways in which the staff could challenge themselves, including the continuation of capacity building.
I recommend that you continue to build capacity within the water department, parallel with encouraging public participation and stewardship of our limited water resources. Timely information and bulletins should always be provided to customers, and they must continue to be educated on changes within the sector. I do hope that in 2021, we would see more of this happening using social media, the radio, and television to get messages and information to the general public.
The minister also added that he is confident the staff can challenge themselves by collecting and collating data, which would help to make better decisions and to inform the policymakers as to which direction they should take the Nevis water sector. Brand also encouraged the staff to improve teamwork in the execution of their duties this year. He noted that teamwork involves, among other things, good communication skills, trust, respect, pooling of human capacity, and sharing of ideas to achieve the department's goals and objectives. Among those present at the event were Deputy Premier of Nevis, Honorable Alexis Jeffers, and Honorable Eric Evelyn. The Department of Agriculture is hosting its weekly sale of fresh produce on Friday, February 5th at the George Marbury Hanley Marketing Complex. On sale are pumpkin at $1.50 per pound, ripe papaya at $4 per pound, green papaya at $3 per pound, watermelon at $2 per pound, cabbage at $2 per pound, green banana at $2 per pound, eggplant $3 per pound, kale at $5 per bag, and lettuce at $5 per bag. Also available for purchase are bread from the agro-processing unit, cassava white, cassava wheat, green banana, pumpkin, and moringa at $10 per bag. Interested persons can place their orders at 662-7602. The sale begins at 9 a.m. and ends at 12 p.m. The following is a press release from the Department of Marine Resources in collaboration with the Nevis Fishermen's Marketing and Supply Cooperative Society Limited with regards to the postponement of the Fish Festival slated for Friday, February 5th, 2021. The rescheduled date is Friday, February 26th at the Charlestown waterfront. And that's it for this edition of the Nevis Newscast. On behalf of all of us here at the Department of Information, I am Bronte Swanston Hendrickson. Thank you for viewing.